I had purchased a Poo foam mattress earlier and has a really bad experience with the same. I am sensitive to strong smells and the off-gassing from the Poo synthetic mattress just didn't stop even after a month. Off-gassing for so long means the mattress was releasing volatile organic compounds, VOC, which is very harmful for human health. So I dumped that mattress and began my search for a natural odor-free mattress. Bought this Dreamzy natural latex mattress a few months ago after a significant amount of secondary research. And I am quite happy with my purchase. The mattress was transported in folded condition. Note: Poo and other mattress lose their shape if folded, while latex mattress retain shape. Having tried this mattress for a few months now, I can say it has the right balance of softness, not too soft, and firm back support for a good night's sleep. Stitching and modal fabric looks as well as feels premium. To top it, there was no offensive odor at all. Satisfied with the purchase and also attitude and responsiveness of the people from Dreamzy, which tilted my decision in their favor, as I had looked at other latex MFRs as well. Hopefully this organic latex mattress will last long. I have used spring mattress previously, which is quite uncomfortable for me and always feeling like having back pain. After using this at least from last 1 week, I feel relaxed and quite comfortable, and I would say complete sleep. For product, I will give 5 stars, and I will definitely recommend you to go this who want to enjoy satisfied and relaxed sleep. Only one thing that bothers me is delivery. Delivery guys carried the bed in folded shape. I thought it may cause damage to the shape and material, but at least in my case both things not happens. I have placed this mattress at my farmhouse. We were some friends who got together to enjoy the onset of monsoons, and it turned out to be a late night. Instead of driving back late at night, I decided to stay over along with a friend of mine. My friend, who is an accomplished surgeon and travels across the world at least 4 months in a year, confessed to me the next morning that it was probably the best night of his life. Kudos to this Dreamzy mattress that I recently bought on Amazon. I too totally agree to his opinion. I am very thankful to those who have designed this wonderful product. It's a full value for money, and I don't think mattresses can get any better than this. Thanks Dreamzy, thanks Amazon. I have purchased this mattress in November 2018 and providing feedback in January 2019. It was delivered within a committed timeline as said by Amazon. A mattress is heavier, but it's a comfort, smooth and good for back support, and not seen back pain in this mattress. Product quality is good and elegant. Compared to other mattress, bit costly, but worth for spending this amount considering health. After viewing lot of reviews on types of mattresses, I decided to go with 100% natural certified latex mattress from Dreamzy. I had taken a risk by ordering it online and received the product in good condition. The follow-up by Dreamzy executive in delivering the item is worth to be appreciated. I have started using the mattress and had a comfortable sleep. The comfort level is excellent. Click link in description for more reviews.